I'd be broken.
Alright, today I'm working on my power supply for my Surface Pro. Microsoft has recalled this cable. I've replaced it once, so this isn't the problem though. The problem I'm having is the connector here. This piece had come off, and now sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Alrighty, so this is the connector that plugs into the Surface Pro. I've taken the back shell off and moved it down. The problem seems to be that it just sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I don't think it is a bad solder connection. I think what is happening is the big red wire there is shorting out to the ground, the shield connection. They should have shortened that red wire a pinch to make it so it didn't short out. I think all I'm going to do is cut a little piece of electrical tape and put under there so that it doesn't short out. But the way this works is it looks like there's a ground connection here and a ground connection at the other end, and then positive connections next to that, and then probably some sort of sensor or something there. So there is the big red wire that comes out, the shield that comes out. I don't know if you can see that there. It's coming there. Let me see if I can point at it. So the shield's right here. Shield's right here. Red wire's here. If you look at the circuit board, you can see the red wire goes there around that connection to that connection. And then this connection here, which I believe is the other ground connection, must go underneath back to that shield, because there's not a connection there on the little copper circuit board. Then there's two other wires, kind of a bluish purple one that goes to the center connection, and this whitish one that goes up here, and that's driving the LED. So what happens is once the battery in the Surface Pro is charged up enough, it will turn this LED off that's on the tip here, little surface mount LED. So that's what that white wire is doing. The blue wire, I think, is some sort of sense to make sure that it's plugged into something, and then it enables the, okay, I'm plugged in, I'm charging, enable the LED from the power supply. So that's kind of how that works, and that allows you to put it on either direction onto the Surface Hub, one way or the other. Doesn't matter. And but I do believe what's happening here, if I can get in close enough here, is they left this, they should have stripped this a little bit shorter, and I believe it's shorting out to the ground connection that's right under it. So I have it kind of picked up now, and I'm just going to try and cut a little piece of electrical tape and stuff in there. It is going to be a tiny little piece of electrical tape. I'm going to try and get in there. I have to get some tweezers here. Okay, here it is, plugged into the computer, and you can see it's charging because it's got the LEDs on. So now I'm still waiting on the liquid electrical tape to dry, and then I'll figure out how to get the cover back on. Mm. Remember to please like and subscribe.